Summit Automation was founded approximately 16 years ago, and my wife and I, Brenda, we purchased the company about 7 years ago from the original founders. We found that Summit was a good company but had the potential of being a great company. In the past, architects and builders, they had limitations as far as their designs could go because of the sizes of the panels that were available on the marketplace. Not anymore. Through advanced manufacturing techniques, no longer do they have to let design be a hindrance. They now have the freedom and ability to be able to design and be as bold as they possibly can. So our touchscreen technology, we first started off with our 9-in-1. And when we had our 9-in-1, 9 meaning 9 features in one switch. When we first came out with that, there was a different type of technology that we were applying. That technology was very well received at that time. However, with the advent of the touchscreen and the iPhone, quite frankly, people are used to tapping screens in a different way. Instead of having it where you press and depress, it's more of a hard tap type thing. As a result, our 9-in-1, we realized that we needed to upgrade the 9-in-1 technology to move towards the 12-in-1 technology, our latest and greatest touchscreen. In order to do that, we needed to find a new partner. And our partner is 4D. 4D has this fantastic screen that we're able to customize and make very simple changes to be able to adapt it to our system. And it's been fantastic. 4D is located in Australia. 4D has a platform and a system and software that is so easy to use and so easy to integrate with our system that it was a natural selection for us to work with the 4D team. 4D offers a fantastic switch that allowed us to be able to do the first of its kind ever seen, where we're able to take the switch and through software been able to basically create a camouflage mode in the switch itself. In addition, we've been able to do light sensing because it was built into the actual switch itself, so it allows us to be able to control how bright or how dark the wall switch needs to be in the room. So why is that important? The last thing a customer wants to see is this really white hot flashing wall switch when they're watching a movie late at night. So the software coupled with the 4D solution, product solution, has made our 12-in-1 touchscreen state of the art. By partnering with 4D, we're actually able to adopt quite a bit of our latest technology into their latest technology. So collaboratively, we're supplying a fantastic product to our customers.